So today we'll be making Nyonya Pongteh chicken, and these are the ingredients that you need. Okay, first of all, you need about 1.5 kg of chicken, some chopped chives, 3 tablespoons of bean paste. You can use either sweet bean paste or salty bean paste, but here I choose to use the sweet bean paste. About 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce mixed with 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce, some ginger garlic paste, which you will only need 2 tablespoons for cooking the Nyonya Pongteh chicken, 3 large onions that are being chopped finely, about 10 shiitake mushrooms. I'm using the fresh one here. You can use the dried ones as well, but that you'll need to soak and slice them or chop them into quarters if you would like. And here are some potatoes. Here I have 5 pieces of potatoes that are chopped into 8 per potato. Okay, so the next step is to start cooking them. So this here is about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, which you will need to use to fry the chopped onions. So these are the chopped onions earlier. Alright, so these are the chopped onions that we have fried, and they are slightly brown now. Next thing to do is to insert the ginger garlic paste, about 2 tablespoons. Stir fry them for about 10 to 15 seconds. Right, the next thing you want to put in is the minced bean paste. Now we'll give them a good stir. You can smell the fragrance of the minced bean paste here, since I'm using the sweet ones. So it smells slightly sweet, like it has some honey in it. Once they are well mixed, the next ingredient to add in is mushrooms. Give the mushrooms a good stir and let them soften slightly for about 1 to 2 minutes to let them soften slightly. Yeah. Once they are slightly softened, and now you can see that they're starting to burn the sides because of the ginger garlic paste. So next thing is we need to put in the chicken. Just give them a good stir. Make sure they mix well with the onion paste and the ginger garlic paste together with the bean paste. Now we just leave it to simmer on its own for about 5 minutes until the chicken juices come out. Then only we add on the rest of the ingredients. Okay, so here's the chicken that we have let simmer for 5 minutes, and you can see it is smoking. So you can see some juices starting to come out already. So the next thing to put in is this mixture of dark soy sauce and oyster sauce. Right, so you can choose to add on some more salt if you think that it's not salty enough, but for me this is salty enough already, so I do not need any more salt. Give them a good stir. Next is the potatoes. Give them a good stir. After giving them a good stir, you need to put in a bowl of water, which is about 500 milliliters. These are the chicken, potatoes and shiitake mushrooms and the water mixed together already. We just have to cover it and let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes depending on the size of your potatoes. So once the potatoes are cooked, meaning to say that the chicken dish is done, it's starting to simmer by the side. So next what we have to do is our brown sugar. Alright, so this will give it a little bit of sweet taste that you won't feel the ginger and the garlic paste is too overpowering. Give it a good stir before letting it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes until the potatoes are cooked. So once the potatoes are cooked, your chicken is considered cooked. So that would be your chicken dish before we garnish them with some chopped chives earlier. Right, so this we'll just have to let it simmer. Okay, so now let's check on our Pongteh chicken. Ooh, this is about done, so we switch off the stove and then we garnish them with a little bit of spring onions or chives, or you can use coriander as well.